Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar by clicking on it and tap on the month above. Then you need to pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and create your event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour over here, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Select people from your contact book, add location, take notes, change color, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always edit it by tapping on it and clicking on this pen icon over here. When you make your changes, remember to click Save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event, you need to click on it, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!